I'm just waiting for a Blizzard to botch this like the last remaster. I've not read the article. Well, let's just go through the article. Dark Wanderer visits blah 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 blah. Prior to BlizzCon line, we spoke to like designer Rob Guillerani, whatever his name is, Rob. We'll call him Bobby, who's basically the principal designer at Blizzard's support studio, Vicarious Visions. Like, man, I don't know. And I can't wait to see this get botched. Like last time they remastered everything. Cough, Warcraft 3. Cough. Like someone screwed up, and like Blizzard's gonna screw this up, even if it's some other studio doing this. Someone's gonna screw up. This is like what? They're remastering it, but they're probably going to screw it up somewhere and make certain design choices that probably weren't, that didn't need to be made. And it's fashionable to do that. I know I've talked about that with certain games that have been touched in for the whether it be for Sony PlayStation or for Microsoft Xbox. Yeah. And then you get in the comments that certain remarks about your about how you're repressed, like you know me, schmuck. Like, to be honest, this doesn't seem like, I don't think this is gonna be that great. I think they're going to botch this somehow, and that the least of the concerns here are boobies, or not boobies, but face and whatnot. Knowing it's Blizzard, they're gonna botch this. You know, they always do. They always freaking do. By the way, yeah, here are the complaints about it in here. Here are the complaints about it. Looks good. Even though hair is different, it looks less creepy and more angry than in D2, sadly. Yeah, Druid. The Paladin looks like a man, which makes 0 sense, given that she is an Amazon. It's not that she is older, it's the male facial features. It's like when you bring this kind of crap up on the internet, they get called, "You're a repressed male! You're a repressed male!" You see, that stupid attitude that I fucking hate. It pisses me off. It makes me fucking mad. Makes me fucking mad. Because, like, honestly, like motherfucking honestly, people, because someone complains about a design choice not making sense. You know, I have not really seen this stuff, but knowing how they've handled stuff in the past, I think I'm gonna probably watch the quartering here and just see what we got. Going on here, and let's see what the quartering has to say about this. I give you my thoughts because I'm not gonna really look this up. You didn't put the links in the fucking description. Like, I would like to be able to look at the fucking shit for myself, dude, without having to play a video. You know, that's gonna be a major complaint that I have with quartering. He doesn't look that bad, but his face could use some, like, they really, I don't know if this is gonna be botched, but I feel like it's gonna be botched. I feel like they're gonna botch this like Warcraft 3 Reforged. You know. I feel like they're gonna botch this. I'm sorry, but as for like here it is actually. Let's see. Here, yeah, you can see it right here. That just looks so weird. Why change this? Why freaking change this? It's hilarious. She does, and she just looks like a fucking boy. It's like weird. She doesn't. But maybe they'll actually fix that. I hope they do, because that just looks weird. This is the weird design choice. I don't know why they just went with that. And she looks like a little girl. Okay. I mean, I personally don't care. 'Cause I like the original just fine. I'm probably not gonna buy this game because I don't really care about Blizzard. China, as in the not People's Republic of China, is satanic. And when I mean satanic, I don't mean in the religious sense. I mean in the secular sense, because that actually had a secular meaning by the Christians, and it had a secular meaning. It means adversary. That's all the word means. Adversary. And they're adversarial to everything the United States stands for. So I don't really care for Blizzard either. Like, this side would. This is what I want to show off. Yeah, the company. Like, this is another reason why I probably wouldn't buy the game. Like, this is a minor reason. I'm like, oh, why? We know you're faking it. And it actually relates to that whole the free Hong Kong. Like, you're willing to virtue signal, and yet you're gonna punish a guy for wanting a free to free his home. What a bunch of hypocrites! Like I shouldn't support hypocrites. I shouldn't support hypocrites. I know about the people working at Blizzard, but I know this about Activision, and I think they're still a part of Activision, are they not? Crap Division? Like this was an annoying thing, because I don't play video games to be preached at anyway. I play video games to get away from this crap. Because I want a reprieve from this crap, because I'm overwhelmed, I'm overstimulated. And I need to release that pressure, and throwing it in my face ain't gonna help me get over it. That's never, it just makes you like more repressed, more, it just makes you more like more like against it when it gets constantly shoved in your face. It's like, shut the hell up. Collectively, gaming is, yeah. Like, I know what people's problem is, but no, it is not a powerful message, and I don't agree with it. I don't agree. It's not a powerful message. It's not a powerful message when you gotta shove your politics and your religion down people's throats, when people play video games just to get away from that crap. You know, they don't want to constantly have their politics, so that's another reason. That's another reason why I'm not gonna buy this, is because I'm not supporting hypocrites that are that would rather censor people. And one, I just don't want to support hypocrites. Two, I got the original game here. I own a legal copy of the original game. I have my copies on here. Let's see if I've got it on here. And I have the original game, so see my games. Blizzard Entertainment. Should merge that into Activision. Let's see what we got here. I have the actual game, and I legally own this. So don't give me, you pirated this crap. I actually legally own this. Bought it back in 2012. And just registered it on battle.net. So that's reason number one. I still think the game looks relatively good. I'm not gonna buy this game just for that. That's the main reason. That's one of the main reasons, anyway. The other main reason is just I don't want to support a company that is pro Chinese imperialism and has shown it, and also shown itself to think that free lives don't matter, but all black lives matter. That's just cringe. You're not convincing anyone. We know where your heart lies. But that's about all. Peace out.